Henry, back to you. We wanted to have a chat with that young guy because he's been pretty spectacular across the weekend.
Yes, he has. He's definitely a dark horse for this race, not least because he drives the same team that guided Ethan Jeff Hall to this race win last year. Last race of the International Trophy, 108 drivers entered this class. Here are your starting lineup. Matthew Higgins and Simon Perigny go for row number 1. Macaulay Bishop and Tom Strella, row 2. Lewis Goff and Titouan Lescalier, row 3. Then Lewis Gilbert and Tom Langlois, row 4. Mehdi Lasoued and William Antrobus, row 5. Lloyd Hare and Keir Garrity, row 6. Kai Hunter, Paul Grissel, row 7. Oscar Couchot, Lizzie Mementier, row 8. Tino Sidler and Noah Janssen, row 9. Raphael Moreau, Leon Hasty, row 10. William Pemble and Rayan Bourguignon, row 11. Matthew Doverne and George Nassar, row 12. Jort Van Wyk and Sean Butcher, row 13. Danny Shields and Lucas Schlegel, row 14. Angus Scrivener and Raphael Benatuil, row 15. Charlie Smith, Bastian Ottensamer, row 16. Sasha EM and Nolan Lamore, row 17. Hugo Lacroix, Vivian Guillaume, row 18. Higgins, the Welshman, has never won a grand final. Bishop, multiple British kart champion, was on the podium of the grand finals as a Micromax driver back in 2019. Lewis Gilbert and Sean Butcher. Gilbert won the superheat after qualifying 101st. Butcher was on courts to beat that when his kart broke. He starts 26th in kart 357. He has been better at overtaking than anybody else here. For the final time, Eric Saleh, we are go!
Yes, we are on, c'est parti avec Simon Perigny à l'extérieur pour garder sa deuxième position parce que derrière, oh là, il y a eu du grabuge derrière, mais devant, c'est chaud là pour Simon Perigny pour garder sa position de deuxième. Il va peut-être devoir céder une place, oui, c'est fait parce que je pense que c'est Bishop maintenant qui est passé deuxième alors que Higgins, lui, a conservé son leadership.
Rayan Bourguignon, Matthew Doverne in having problems at turn number 1. Mehdi Lasoued on the Sodi kart also in problems. William Antrobus getting delayed, so was Lizzie Mementier. But Higgins defending from Bishop. Then it is Perigny in third. Watch for Goff fourth. Fifth is, and look at Butcher. There goes Butcher. He must have passed about 10 carts already. Don't count him out, ladies and gentlemen. Do not count out cart 3, 5, 7.
Ouais, pour Mehdi Lasoued, il est repassé en 33e position, hein, le Français qui était capable de faire évidemment une très belle finale. Pour l'heure, c'est toujours Higgins qui emmène un peloton groupé derrière lui. Higgins avec dans son sillage Bishop et Perigny. Perigny toujours 3e. Et attention parce que derrière, il y a du monde aussi avec Lewis Goff, Tom Strill, Lewis Gilbert, Lloyd Hare et Kyle Hunter. Autant dire qu'on est loin d'avoir tout vu dans cette finale senior.
12 drivers at the front. Lewis Gilbert passes Tom Strella, forcing Strella onto the curb. Your lead group coming on to lap number 3 now. Higgins, Bishop, Perigny, Goff, Gilbert, Hare, Strella, Sidler, Hunter, Grissel, Couchot, Lescalier with Garrity and Langlois not far behind. Higgins has to be defensive. Oh, Bishop went for a move. Lloyd Hare runs wide in the third of the Dan Holland racing karts. Meanwhile, the first driver not in this lead group is guess who? Sean Butcher.
Allez, devant c'est toujours chaud et Simon Perigny qui a été attaqué me semble-t-il par Lewis Goff, me semble-t-il. On va avoir un gros plan là sur les numéros. Le 401 c'est toujours Higgins avec dans son sillage. Et est-ce que c'est voilà, on va attendre le passage sur la ligne parce que ça va vraiment très très vite. Ouais, c'est ça, c'est Lewis Goff qui est passé en 3e position. Simon Perigny est désormais 4e.
Right, we look at the leaders. I wonder if the cameraman, when we come to turn number 3, you'll see going up the straight. Here we go. Now there's the lead group. At the back you'll see a purple, silver and pink go-kart. That is Butcher. Butcher's caught the lead group, which comprises 15 drivers. And they're all tripping over each other because Higgins has got to do something to keep Bishop, who is a world-renowned overtaker. Bishop he goes, Bishop's motto is, if you're not overtaking, you're being overtaken. So that's his raison d'etre, as it were, Eric. Third at the moment is Goff. Perigny is fourth. Gilbert fifth. Then it's Strella. And there's Butcher going through in the white race suit. Oh, Higgins has left the door open. Bishop on the grass. This is getting insane here in Senior Rotax. You think, why is Bishop, why is Higgins defending? He's got to defend. He can't do anything else but defend. If he leaves the door open, not only will Bishop go through, but so will Goff, Perigny, Gilbert, and Higgins. He could lose 7, 8 more places in the space of one corner. So the die is set. This, to coin a term well used by Carters, this is gonna be a hack.
Et ça y est, ça passe à l'attaque, ça va passer peut-être, non. Higgins qui a contré l'attaque au bout de la ligne droite de Bishop, qui était en train de tenter de prendre le leadership. Attention dans la ligne droite qui mène vers le virage numéro 1. Bishop est toujours en deuxième position. Il me semble que Perigny a repris la troisième place. Non, c'est toujours Goff et Gilbert. Autant pour moi, Perigny est bien cinquième.
There's Kai Hunter in the Hunter Motorsports machine in what is 6th or 7th position. Perigny in P5. Higgins, he has won.
Pendant les soldes, profitez de réductions sur les plus grandes marques jusqu'à moins 70% chez MacArthur Glen Paris-Giverny.
Won European titles. He's won a British title as a junior, but he has come second. He has been a runner-up in so many championships. He is determined. He is not a number 2. He is a number 1, and he is going for it. And look at the diamond of Dalry. Scotland's Lewis Gilbert up to P3. Meanwhile, Sean Butcher has just cracked the top 10, boys and girls. At the front there, behind Perigny, is Goff. Tino Sidler is a danger man. Look for the Swiss driver with the chrome red and orange, gold and red crash helmet. He is there as well. Higgins sets his stall out early. If Macaulay Bishop wants to pass Matthew Higgins cleanly, he is going to have to pull off an absolute worldie of a pass.
Assez chaud, et attention à Gilbert là qui attaque en deuxième position à la sortie du banking. Non, ça ne passe pas avec Bishop qui referme la porte. On est maintenant dans la ligne droite. Bishop toujours derrière Higgins. Perigny a repris une position, il est désormais 4e. Et attention parce que derrière ça devient très très chaud. Et on a également, comme l'a noté Henry, le retour de Tino Sidler qui avait abandonné tout à l'heure dans la super finale et qui est remonté de sa position très loin sur la grille pour venir maintenant se mêler au groupe de tête.
Kian Garrity receives the black flag. Don't know what for, but the Strawberry Racing drivers' race is over. Oh, Perigny getting elbowed out of the way there. That, I think, was the 397 of Lewis Goff. Did Lewis Goff have someone to his inside? Perigny skitters across the grass, comes back into play, and now, oh, it's getting a bit lively up at the banking. Kai Hunter trying to go about 4 wide round the outside, and Tino Sidler's kart has broken again. Sidler out of the race. There is Butcher. Now the worrying thing for me is that big black tyre mark on Butcher's nose cone. Is that a front bumper penalty? I don't know, but there's a black mark there now that wasn't there at the start of the race. Look at Gilbert trying to work his way around. Will he try the undercut? Oh, Higgins says no, no, no. But Bishop has thrown everything at the kit, and including the kitchen sink at Higgins so far. 5 minutes to go, and these three are breaking away. Butcher, meanwhile, is now 5th, and he's there. 4th is Goff. It's a British 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How long will that last? It's a British top 6 with Lloyd Hare. Watch Sean Butcher. Over, under on Goff. Now on Gilbert. Butcher from P26 to P4, and we still got 4.5 minutes to go, Eric.
Ouais, Butcher qui est en train de faire un numéro là dans cette finale. Il a gagné 22 positions. C'est Butcher, 22 positions. Le numéro 357, il est actuellement en 4e position, juste derrière Lewis Gilbert. Et attention à l'attaque à l'intérieur pour Bishop qui est passé sur Higgins. Ça y est, les hostilités sont lancées en tête de la course.
Higgins incoming, Macaulay Bishop. He made the pass at Kevin Duchamp. But the two drivers who have overtaken more people than anyone else this week are right behind him. Here comes Lewis Gilbert. Here comes Sean Butcher behind them. You've got Goff, Grissel, Paul Grissel is there. Now the Bishop has got the move done, and there was a little elbow grease used. Can he go? Gilbert, Butcher and Higgins give the signal. Let's go and catch the fleeing Macaulay Bishop. Hunter again going high, wide and handsome.
Assez chaud bouillant là en tête de la course, et on voit que ça s'est regroupé une nouvelle fois. Les leaders s'étaient un petit peu échappés, mais là on retrouve un paquet quasiment intégral pour les avant-postes. On va voir si Bishop va être en mesure de tenir cette attaque de Gilbert dans le parking, mais ça ne suffira pas parce qu'il a ouvert la porte. Est-ce que ça va résister? Oui, ouais, c'était chaud. Gilbert est passé en 3e position, et il a pris le meilleur sur Higgins qui lui dit allez, on y va, on avance, on ne s'attaque plus, on essaye de faire le trou, parce que oui, effectivement, c'est maintenant qu'il faut faire la différence pour être sûr de pouvoir se disputer la victoire finale sans être contré. Pour l'instant, Gilbert et Higgins lancés à la poursuite de Bishop.
Total Energy présente
Super promo électricité de Total Energy. Point d'exclamation. Papa, tu parles à ton...
Butcher got caught out there. He had a bad exit onto the back straight, and that has cost Sean Butcher 10 positions. The dream is over for Sean Butcher, but everyone who is here will remember just how special he has driven that kart. Now it's down to the two experienced old hands, Lewis Gilbert and Matthew Higgins, to close in and work together in the last 2 minutes to catch the young gun, the reigning British senior road tax champion, Macaulay Bishop. Behind them, Perigny is 4th, 5th for Goff, 6th is Lloyd Hare, Hunter 7th, Mehdi Lasue spun to last on the first corner and now runs 8th. Grissel, Guillaume started 36th and last, he's up to 10th. Lamore, Butcher down to 12th. Escalier, Strella, Antrobus, Guccio, Smith, Pemble, Bourguignon and Shields. That's your top 20 at the moment. A top 15 separated by 5 seconds. Now things are spread out. Have Gilbert and Higgins got enough time? I think we're seeing, Eric, why Higgins was defending so much, because he knew, oh, there's a move. Higgins on Gilbert, wipes his nose, takes 2nd place, and Perigny, Goff and Lloyd Hare in the 3rd of the DHR karts, the least experienced member of the team in seniors, now moves into P4.
Ça bouge encore derrière le leader, hein. Bishop toujours aux commandes, mais c'est désormais Lewis Gilbert qui mène la chasse. Attendez, non, je dis une bêtise, c'est Bishop, Higgins et Gilbert toujours en 3e position. C'est derrière où ça a bougé, hein, parce qu'il y a eu une attaque et Simon Périni qui était 4e, et bien s'est fait déborder par Lloyd Hare et Lewis Goff dans le dernier virage, et tout est à reconstruire pour le Français. Il était revenu au contact du trio de tête, et là maintenant, eh bien, il est de nouveau en 6e position, et il reste maintenant, on va rentrer dans le dernier tour, me semble-t-il. Oh, ça va être très très juste. 3, 2, 1. No.
They cross the line with 1 second to go. We get 2 more laps of this. David Whitehouse on the live chat makes a very good point. The last time we had 4 drivers at the front of an international senior Rotax race was the grand finals in Sarno, where the top 6 drivers at the start of the race were all British. On a day that Belgium won the race. That tells you a lot of what happened. But Bishop is clear. He has come here for the last few years and has always missed out. Mistakes, penalties, bad luck. This time it's all gone right for Macaulay, Bishop, Higgins and Gilbert. Chase him down. But Macaulay Bishop, the battle is for 2nd place. Oh, Gilbert and Higgins. Now, come on, this is Wales and Scotland with Celtic Brethrens. We got to play nice. Higgins is slowing down. Matthew Higgins is slowing down. What is wrong with Higgins? Last lap. I think Higgins thought it was the last lap. Higgins slowed down and he didn't realise there's still a lap to go. No, Matthew. You gotta go to the checkers. Bishop, meanwhile, is about to win this motor race.
Allez, c'est fait maintenant pour Bishop, hein, qui va aller chercher son ticket pour Bahreïn. Et derrière, eh bien, Gilbert n'a pas eu à trop forcer, parce que il y a eu vraiment un souci, une mésentente, une incompréhension plus exactement pour Higgins. Higgins qui pensait que la course était terminée, et finalement non, c'est maintenant qu'elle se termine, et c'est Bishop qui s'impose avec Gilbert devant, 2e. Et en 3e position, Lewis Goff. Et on a vu Matthew Higgins, évidemment très en colère envers lui-même, qui termine au pied du podium. Matthew Higgins, 4e.
Macaulay Bishop, undoubtedly a superstar. Is he everybody's best mate? No. Does everybody know how talented that young man is? Oh, heck yes. He's here to win. His motto: if you're not overtaking someone, you're being overtaken. So we may as well overtake. He is attack, 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 and he is devastatingly fast. He has just won the international trophy. This will be the biggest win of his career, in a career that has seen so many big wins. Lewis Gilbert will be 2nd, and that is incredible. 3rd for Lewis Goff. 4th, Matthew Higgins, and Matthew thought he took the checkered flag a lap before it came out. That will be devastating for the Welshman. Mehdi Lassoue, from spinning on turn number 1 to finishing P5, with Lloyd Hare, Simon Perigny, Titouan Lescaye, Nolan Lamore and Paul Grissel rounding out your top 10. Sean Butcher finishes 11th, but we all know, everyone who has watched this will remember Butcher's performance for a long time to come. His mum and dad are here watching. They don't come that often anymore. But if ever Sean says, I'm pretty much done with karting, tell him, no, you're not. You're too good of a driver to walk away. Charlie Smith from the USA finishes 12th, ahead of Tom Streller, Vivian Guillaume, William Antrobus, Kai Hunter, Oscar Gajo, George Nassar, Danny Shields and Ryan Borgin-Yon.
Être au régime, c'est pas une punition. Il faut pas perdre trop vite, ça sert à rien. En moyenne, personne déclare qu'ils ont perdu en
There is young Oliver Spencer congratulating Macaulay Bishop. Don't fall off the step ladder, Oliver. We're going to have an interview. We'll come back to close the show out in a little bit, Eric. To the thousands and thousands and thousands of people that have tuned in. We had nearly 20,000 viewers yesterday. There's a lot more than that today. Rotax